Hello, today we're going to have a quick look at using collections in Microsoft Edge. Collections work like bookmarks but are so much more, and the way we're going to use them today is for collating information for lesson plans, but you will immediately see the benefits of using them in many other ways. Okay, so here we are in my Microsoft Edge browser. As you can see, I've been doing a little bit of research on the planet Saturn for a lesson plan. I've found a website and a video, a diagram. In Online Word, I've written some text and I've also started my presentation. Great, but now it's time for me to work on something else. So how can I save all of these resources? Well, using collections is a great way to do just that, and you need to check on this icon here. And you'll see that under this icon I already have a few collections that I've already made, but I'm going to start a new collection called Saturn. And to add the resources, all I need to do is to be on the page that I would like to save and save the Add Current page here. Okay, and it's added a link to that page with a little screen grab, a little bit of information. If I want, I can add a note about this underneath by clicking on the Note tab. So I might put great website based in Ireland. Whatever it is you want to say about it. And I can carry on and add other tabs. So this is a video, it's actually on the Bing search, but it could be on YouTube. I can add this diagram, which is part of an image search. I can even add anything that I've created myself, which is, as long as it has a web address, which everything that's created in Word Online, etc. has got, then that can be added as well. And finally, the early stages of my presentations, just so I know where to find it again. And that's great. So I can go off now and close all of these tabs and still know that I've got access to those pages again. Okay, so here I am back in my home page, and to access those that collection again, I click on the collections icon and then select the item that I would like to look at. Other things that you can do with your collection can be found underneath the ellipses here. For example, I could send it to Excel, OneNote or Word. Let's try sending it to Word. And that should give me a Word document with a list of the links that I saved. So if you were wanting to send that to somebody else, that might be one way of doing it, or you could share it with a OneNote, whatever works best for you. Here we go. Just taking a couple of seconds to process. There we go. So I've got my notes here that I wrote, and I've got all of my links. Okay, so I hope that you can see the benefits of using collections to organise your browsing, and I hope you find it useful. This video was recorded with Microsoft Stream. Bye.